DEWALT Factory Service is the power tool team tough enough to keep up with you. When you need service, rely on the team that's always got your back. With ToolServiceNet.com, we've made the repair process easier than ever to get you back to work fast. Need a repair? Click Online Repairs. Enter your information. And that guaranteed repair cost, that's the max you'll pay for a repair. If your tool needs less, you pay less. And if your tool is under warranty, you don't pay a dime. It's that simple. Print the free shipping label, box it up, and drop it at one of UPS's 20,000 locations. That's right, 20,000. We'll send you updates every step of the way. With the largest repairing network in the country, your tool gets to us and back to you faster. When it arrives, our certified factory-trained techs check out everything: visual, electrical, mechanical. They fix what's broken and replace what's worn before it breaks. And everything we touch gets tested for performance. When it's done, your tool is restored to run as hard as you do. Fast repairs, done right, we guarantee it. Want to fix it yourself and just need the parts? ServiceNet's got your back there too. Over 35,000 OEM parts all at your fingertips, plus technical info and exploded art. DEWALT Factory Service. As dependable as you are. Guaranteed tough.